Okay.
In this video, my dad is going to show you how to repair the outer door handle on a 1998 to 2003 Toyota Sienna van. Have you ever had your door handle break free from the door right here? With a few basic tools, a drill with a 3/16 drill bit, and these machine screws and nuts, you can fix the handle for under $10. First, you need to take the inner door panel off. Other than this one screw, the door panel is held on by push-on clips. Pry the door panel off with a flat screwdriver or a tool like this. Here is the inside of the door panel and the clips that hold it in place. Pull away the plastic liner to get at the door handle. Remove the front bolt using a 10mm socket. Then by a little bit of wiggling, you should be able to remove this cable. You should be able to take the door handle off now, remove the old broken bolt, and drill a 3/16 hole here. Here is the new bolt and nuts on the inside. And this is the kind of bolt and nut my dad used. Before you put the panel back on, make sure all the clips are in the panel, not the door.
It's got to go over here and come out.
Put the panel back on, starting with the top first, then hammering the bottom in with your hand. Put the screw back in the cup holder and you're done! See, it works.